In our last webinar, Why Cleanroom Wipe Fabrics Matter, we received a great question from Tom. He asked, because microfiber has a superior capability to pick up and trap foreign material, is it harder to launder these wipes effectively? Well, microfiber has some great properties that can help improve the performance of a wipe, such as superior capability of picking up and trapping foreign material and improving sorbent properties. These properties that make microfiber beneficial, however, are liabilities when it comes to laundering and reuse. Its superior ability to trap and hold contaminants make it difficult to remove them. It takes a really rigorous washing process at elevated temperature to effectively wash and clean microfiber. So these conditions actually damage and break the microfibers, degrading the wipe and increasing its level of fiber contamination. I recommend viewing Dave Nobley's presentation from the Interfex 2019 show, as it goes into a lot more detail on this. Thanks for watching.